As the world's population continues to grow, we are in need of more and more food. With over 30% of today's food being thrown out and wasted, we're not only exhausting our planet, but households also throw away thousands of dollars every year. The benefits of eating healthier and fresher foods are clear. We all want to enjoy better quality food without wasting our time, money, or the environment. That is why we have created Cuva.
Like most people, I found myself throwing away significant amounts of food because it had gone bad. To prevent this, I tried out several food sealing systems that lock out air and moisture, two major factors for food decay. I found these systems were not practical and bulky. So I started rethinking the way we store food. And we began designing a system, an affordable system that is so easy to use that it would make sense for every household to own one.
Vacuum food saving systems have been around for ages. The benefits are clear. Removing air and moisture can have a very significant impact on the time that you keep your food fresh. However, current food saving systems from all the major brands have a number of disadvantages. They take up a lot of space in your kitchen. They are inconvenient to use, and most require separate adapters and accessories in order to use them with reusable containers. Because they are designed to heat seal bags, these bags can only be used once, which is very wasteful. Cuva is the only vacuum food saving system that delivers top performance and is fully integrated in your kitchen counter. It is always ready when you need it and blends in perfectly with your kitchen design. Cuva works with special high-quality Triton containers and reusable zipper bags. The containers are super durable and freezer, microwave, and dishwasher proof. There are 3 modes on your Cuva: Gentle mode for delicate foods, Full mode for maximum performance, Quick marinade mode that runs a number of vacuum cycles in order to marinate food in minutes instead of hours. Removing air and moisture from dry goods, such as nuts, cookies, chips, and crackers, using our containers will keep them crisp and fresh as the moment you open the packaging. The multi-layer BPA-free zipper bags are great for longer-term storage in the freezer. They are reusable and block out air to help prevent freezer burn. Using this system can keep your food fresh for up to 5 times longer. Special wine stops help you to keep your wine delicious for several additional days after opening. For the big sous vide fans, you will find there is no easier way to prepare your food for a perfect precision cooking treatment. All the rich flavors and juices of your food are kept inside using the specially designed Cuva vacuum bags.
We started our journey with Cuva almost 2 years ago, and we have already achieved a lot with a magnificent team. Our manufacturing partner is getting ready for production. We just need a last financial push to kick things off. In order to bring Cuva to food lovers all over the world, we need your support. With your help, we can produce the first batches of our product and ship it to consumers. We have a great selection of rewards lined up for you. So join the vacuum food saving revolution.
Save more money and save more meals to enjoy with friends and family, and support our campaign for a healthy world full of better and fresher food.
Many golfers work very hard to improve their driving distance and their putting, but a lot of people find it difficult to practice their golf swings indoors. Nevertheless, they never give up on their swinging practice. Some they turn even to a golf swinging trainer, which allows them to swing more safely. But swinging training becomes boring after a while, and people, well, they just give up on that too. Now we got a new device that can help you improve your golf swings more efficiently. It's Golf. Golf is an indoor golf simulator that can be used at your home and work. Its game-like simulator environment helps you to concentrate on your swings. Just like playing a game, you can be immersed in your swings and concentrate on your practice for a longer period. FiGolf recognizes your actual swing motion and sends the data to your smartphone, which is connected through Bluetooth. This data includes your driving distance, club speed, and tempo. The simulator recreates your swing in 3D, and you can correct your swing, studying the angles and trajectory. If you're tired of practicing alone, you can compete with others on the network game mode. You can also join a tournament with other FiGolf users and check your skills. The golf maps in this game mode are identical to the actual golf courses, and you can practice before you go on to the real field. FiGolf's sophisticated swing analysis will help you improve your swing dramatically.
That's awesome, man.
FiGolf, wonderful device passionate golfers like you must have. Enjoy golf at home. FiGolf, that's all you need.
This is Filter. It may not look like much, but this small device solves some very large problems. We live in a time where everything you do online is monitored, tracked, or censored. Just because you don't have anything to hide doesn't mean you don't deserve privacy. Finding a way to stay private and secure is not such an easy task. Services are fragmented and none provide coverage on multiple devices, making it a hassle to stay protected. We created Filter in order to make privacy and security more accessible and easier to use. Filter provides VPN support, ad blocking capability, and Tor anonymity on all the devices in your home. This is especially important for devices that don't normally support these applications, like gaming consoles, smart TVs, and media players. Filter not only protects you from unwanted ad targeting, but it prevents companies, governments, and internet providers from seeing more personal information like your web activity, searches, and even physical location. In VPN mode, Filter uses enterprise-grade encryption to protect all the devices in your home simultaneously. This level of security keeps all incoming and outgoing web traffic private. VPN mode also allows access to geo-restricted content or censorship simply by switching regions within the app. Filter's app is incredibly easy to use. Select the VPN setting, the region you'd like to connect to, or automatic for the speediest connection. You can switch between VPN mode and Tor or configure more advanced settings. Filter also does the job of blocking advertisements, dangerous websites, trackers, and malware. Infected advertising is a huge threat and annoyance. With Filter, you'll never have to see a malicious ad again. To stay ahead of threats, all security features and lists are kept up to date automatically. You can choose what you want to have updated or turn this off at any time. Filter has a lot of capabilities, but setup couldn't be easier. Run all of your network traffic through Filter simply by connecting it between any modem and router. Filter will start working automatically and can be configured within the app. Filter can be used as a regular router, which you can connect your devices to via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Filter is ultra portable and can even be powered off an external battery. Even if you're in a public area, you don't have to worry about staying secure and finding power. We have a great idea and an industrious team working to make Filter the best it can be. But we need your help. We need to meet manufacturing requirements and volume in order to make Filter affordable for everyone. We hope you'll support us and help spread the word about our campaign. Every little bit counts and helps bring us closer to our goal, to make your online experience yours again.
Imagine that your desktop 3D printer can print not only plastics but also porcelain or clay. Lets you experiment with automatic deposition of soldering paste, paints, or even food. Or does all of this. Now, this is possible.
The Ceramics 3D printing kit is a print head and pump for the precise deposition of highly viscous pastes and clay with your desktop 3D printer. Prints from wet clay or porcelain can be burned into useful ceramics. They are strong, durable, heat-resistant, and food-safe. This can be a perfect gift, a souvenir, just a hobby, or even a new opportunity for your business. The Ceramics 3D printing kit implements several creative engineering solutions. A compact, lightweight print head can be installed in different orientations. It is compatible with most 3D printers. It provides leak-proof and accurate clay deposition. The extruder eliminates air bubbles from clay mixed by hand. You can easily assemble and disassemble the extruder for cleaning. We provide you with different nozzles to reach the optimal speed and quality of printing. The syringe pump precisely dispenses even thick clay.
Our 3D printing kit is not limited to clay. You can experiment with many different materials and invent new applications for the 3D printing technology.
Stoneflower, perfect technology for perfect ideas.